Jump too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown off this way.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Shot, and today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and a first look review of the Poppy Blasted Goat Drip Butter. But before we get into that, I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap, show you guys exactly what my waves are looking like. So let's get to it. Alright, let's go ahead and get this out the package. Oh yeah. It's super dope. As you guys can see, the can and the design of the can is definitely dope. PB definitely put time and effort into this. I will give that to him. The ingredients of this is tangerine butter, beeswax, coconut oil, avocado oil, hemp seed oil, argan oil, and jojoba oil. Yeah, man. It's definitely dope. Definitely like the package that it came in. Man, it smells great. Hey, now I see why he been dropping those videos talking about Santa Claus is coming back in town.
Oh, oh, oh. Merry Christmas. Oh, oh, oh. Merry Christmas. Y'all ready? Hey, I'm coming down y'all chimney today, bro. So hope y'all ready. All orders coming, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I got my sleigh. I got my reindeers. I got my whole crew. No, I'm a one-man army, man. Go drip hair products. Go get yours today. Thank you for the support. Ho, ho, ho.
Definitely smells like holiday cheer. Man, it smells excellent. Now let's go ahead and apply some of this goat drip butter to the ocean. Grab some of that out of there, so you guys can see. Decent amount. Rub this in. Oh yeah, I definitely love the way it breaks down, where it's not gonna leave a lot of buildup in my hair. Yeah, I can say I definitely like the way it feels. Hair feels a lot softer. I'm actually go ahead and apply a little bit more, just because I'm on a little wolf right now. Hair's a little bit thicker. As you guys can already tell, the goat drip butter definitely got me shining right now. One of the biggest problems and the issues that I had with the other products that I was using previously was that it would take away my natural shine. I definitely feel like this goat drip butter would not give me the same issues. Lays my hair down good, it smells good, and it's definitely helping me shine. I will be dropping a full product review in about 2 to 3 weeks of this goat drip butter after I have time to really see how this product really helps my hair. But as you guys already know, when you come to my channel, we gotta end every single video off with the brush session. So go ahead and grab your brushes now.